We're taking a look at the UGREEN Nexode 300W USB-C charger block, and this is a 5-port charging GAN station. Alright, so let's open this slide out. We can lift up. Okay, we have the charging block. Oh, and it's definitely a lot heavier than I thought it would be. The item weighs 2.89 pounds. So we have the 5 ports and the feet, either like a silicone or kind of a rubber type feel. And included we have the user manual and user instructions. It is USB-C to USB-C, a UGREEN cable, and the cable is again 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet, and it can allow up to 240 watts to go through, but again, the max port will only allow 140 watts. This has to be the power cord. Let's plug it in. No power switch, so it should be active and ready to go. No lights to indicate that it's on. And this has been the UGREEN 300W USB-C charger.